Yo, I swear, yo, those kidney grills, they just made such a nice difference. Oh my god, look at them. Woo. Hey, what is going on, guys? In today's video, we're going to be installing an M Performance shift knob from BMW. It's OEM. Really nice looking shift knob. And we're going to be installing as well with it a Alcantara shift boot. I feel like this complements the shift knob extremely well, considering that the shift knob actually has Alcantara on it. And overall, I just hate leather shift boots. I feel like they look really weird. They don't look as good as like an Alcantara shift boot. So we're just going to knock this install out really fast, really quick and easy install. We're gonna see the before and after. I feel like it's gonna look sick in my E90 because I have the black on Alcantara, black on aluminum trim, and since the shift knob is pretty much black and aluminum, I feel like it's gonna look sick. So let's get right into it. Alrighty, so before we start this off, I just want to reference for you guys, this is the shift knob that my car actually came with, and you can see how ugly and beat up and just gross, and it's really light too that it is. So basically what had happened was I went back to Mike's house to pick this up when I got the car, just so I can use this in the meanwhile because this was so bad. And so this is actually a ZHP 5-speed shift knob that I actually had in the E30, and basically I've just been rocking this for now, and then I knew I was going to get a new shifter, and then I was like, hey, let me, my entire life I've just been getting ZHP shift knobs because it's like my all-time favorite shift knob. I was like, let me try out this M Performance one, and I feel like, this is going to look really good. I'm going to do a quick size comparison too, because this is significantly smaller in person and then it is in the pictures, and significantly smaller than the ZHP. So real fast, I'm just going to yank off the shift knob. Just remember, if this is your first time doing it and you're taking off this one, you're going to need a shit ton of strength because, I don't know, these just are so hard to take off because more than likely they've been on the car for so long. So this one should come off fairly easy because considering that I just recently put it on, so I'm going to try and just yank this off really fast. You can throw it in fourth or whatever to get more leverage, but excuse me if I punch my face. Oh, okay. That wasn't that bad, but that took a decent amount of space. So now that this is off, I'm going to show you guys in a different picture how dirty my leather actually is. This could actually use a little bit of cleaning, but it's not the end of the world. So after you take off the shift knob, just pull. You don't really need a pry tool, you can just use your bare hands. Basically pull up and just try to, you can use your new shift boot if you are changing shift boots as reference to where the clips are. It's literally 1, 2, 3, 4. There's none in the front, there's none in the back. It's just 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm pretty certain this is also the same, so I'm just gonna go ahead and yank from the side and just try to pry it up. It's kind of hard to do, but don't be too hard. Give it some bend in and then out. Once one comes out, then the rest do come out. So check this out. You can see like the stains in the leather too. I mean, it's not the end of the world. This is fairly easy to clean, but I'm just saying, like, this doesn't look very presentable as compared to this. This just looks so much sportier and so much nicer. So by the way, this is also M Performance shift boot, an Alcantara one with white stitching. So I don't know, I thought I'd just point that out there. So basically what you do is just make sure you get the shifter through this hole. Hey yo, get it all the way in, and then you just clip this back in all the way. Check that out, look how much better that looks, man. Looks sick. I feel like this could sit a little bit flusher. The front is always the weirdest, honestly. Just push down firmly and that just goes in, but for the most part this is basically it. Check out how much nicer that looks, man. Honestly, like, it just looks so much better. So check that out, look how much nicer that looks. It just looks so much sportier. I love how the Alcantara trim, the aluminum trim looks with this shift boot. I think it just looks so sporty. I think it looks really nice. Kind of makes it feel like it's an M car because this Alcantara shift boot stuff it just looks so good in M cars and stuff. But obviously this is a 328, it's not the end of the world if I have it, but check it out. I think it looks really sick, and now the finishing touch obviously is to put on the shift knob. So let's knock that out really fast. Again, so it only goes on one way. Just make sure you have it straight and everything. Pretty simple. Just want to make sure this is just right before I start pushing it on. Okay, that should be seated in place. And now I'm just gonna really just push down hard on it. Should probably put it forth and do that. Okay, I felt it get into place. Tap, tap. And that's it. Oh my god, that looks amazing. Holy shit. Oh my god. That looks so sick. No way. Bro. Let me move the old shift knob and shit so the interior looks a little bit cleaner. Yo. Oh my god, that looks so sick. That looks so much better. Holy shit. Guys, check out these before and afters. Look how much better it looks. The old way, it does look a lot like more OEM-ish, but this looks like sporty OEM-ish. I don't know. I can't wait to feel the throw. I'm gonna feel it in a second, but what's it called? Check out how much shorter it is too than the OEM one. I mean, not the OEM one, but the ZHP one. It is freaking, oh my god, so much shorter than the OEM one. Like, so much shorter. And then it is just a little shorter than this. This actually sits fairly high though, so this is definitely much shorter. And with the shift boot, honestly, it completes the look, man. I think it looks sick. I'm super excited. Like, let me go get in the driver's seat and actually throw and feel how the throw feels. Yo, oh my god, I feel like a little girl right now. Oh my god, that looks so good. Just looking at the interior from here, I don't know if you guys can see, but it just looks so sick. Oh my god. Yo, I've never been this excited about a shift knob because I've always liked how e-chassis, not e-chassis, even the new F30s and the new F80s and the M2s and everything, they look so good with this setup, with the shift boot and everything. All right, here goes nothing. I hope I like it. Oh my god, that feels so nice. Oh, it feels a little bit notchier, which is good. It definitely feels notchier. Yo, I hope keeping this Alcantara clean isn't gonna be the death of me, because honestly, we don't need that, you know? I need this to be like clean all the time, because if it's not clean, it doesn't look as good, you feel me? But yeah, overall, I feel like I'm super hyped and super happy with this. I think it was worth the money. It was a decent amount of money, honestly, I'm not even gonna lie. But I feel like it just looks like money, son. It just looks great. I think it looks amazing, honestly. Honestly, like nothing beats this. This just looks so sick to me. Especially like when I'm looking at it from like here, it just looks so great, man. Oh my god, with the iDrive and everything, I think it looks freaking fantastic. But anyway, guys, that pretty much just about does it for this video. Let me know what you guys think of the shift knob, and if you think I should have gone like a different style or a carbon fiber one, or I don't know. I feel like with this trim, it looks sick. I don't see myself ever changing this trim to carbon fiber or wrapping it. I really like the aluminum trim, but you know, things change over time. If I do get bored of it, I'll probably swap it out and get wrap it and do carbon fiber. And then obviously I would probably have to do that too, or just get a carbon fiber one. I don't know, we'll see. We'll see how I like it. We'll see how I enjoy it over time. It's only time's gonna be able to tell. But let me know what you guys think of the shift knob. Let me know if you guys like little mods like this. I'll keep filming them. It's really easy for me and it's super fun. Clearly you can tell how enthusiastic I am about this. This feels, honestly, it just feels so good. But anyway, guys, that pretty much does this video. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Peace out.